Hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox the die-cast scale model of BMW i8. Die-cast metal. So let's open the box to see what's inside. So this is a 1:50 scale model toy of the BMW i8. The i8 is a plug-in electric racing car made by BMW in 2016. Being one of the fastest racing car, it has been customized as speedy. This is the die-cast metal car painted in white. This has a pullback action. If you like the video, click on the like button. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Click on the bell button to get notifications. Thanks for watching my video.